Hello, my name is Curtis Morrison with Ready Go Law, an immigration law firm based near San Diego, California. In December, both the State Department and USCIS put into effect a hold or pause of the DV 2026 program. Further, in January, the State Department put into effect a pause on immigrant visa issuances from 75 countries. At Ready Go Law, we do not believe the Trump administration intends to end the pause of the DV 2026 program or the 75 country pause. Thus, we are planning a group lawsuit against the Trump administration on behalf of DV 2026 selectees. In this group lawsuit, we will challenge the legality of the hold on the DV 2026 program and the 75 country pause on behalf of our DV 2026 clients. We will ask the judge to cancel both pauses as they apply to our participating plaintiffs. We will also ask the judge to compel the government to make decisions on the applications of our plaintiffs before September 30th, 2026. Also, because it is the right thing to do, we will include a cause of action in this group lawsuit challenging the State Department's failure to announce the entry period for DV 2027. We plan to file this group lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia. So there are important dates to remember, okay? The deadline to participate in the group lawsuit is February 28th, 2026. Also, we plan to file the complaint to initiate the group lawsuit on March 14th, 2026. To participate in this group lawsuit, a participant must be a DV 2026 selectee. If you are not a DV 2026 selectee, explore our Ready Go Law website to learn about other group lawsuit opportunities. So, some important disclosures. First, this lawsuit is not guaranteed to win. No lawsuits are ever guaranteed to win. Second, many DV 2026 selectees who are citizens of the 40 countries that were designated by Trump as travel ban countries in June and December of 2025. This group lawsuit will not be challenging these two travel bans as unlawful. That is not the focus of this lawsuit. Thus, if you are a citizen of a travel ban country and you choose to participate in this group lawsuit, understand that even with the best outcome, this group lawsuit will only remove one obstacle that you face. Okay, let's talk about the cost to participate. The attorney fee to participate as plaintiffs in the lawsuit will be $2,500 for each DV 2026 selectee. This fee includes the cost of participation of all derivative beneficiaries, regardless of family size. For terms of payment, $500 will be due in advance of the representation to onboard as a plaintiff. The remaining $2,000 will be due only after entry into the U.S. or for DV 2026 selectees inside the U.S. Form 485 approval. Also, the deferred part of the payment can be paid in monthly payments of $250 per month. Okay? So note, all participants in the group lawsuit will be obligated to pay the deferred payment after entering the U.S. on the DV 2026 visa or adjusting status based upon being a DV 2026 selectee. If you're not comfortable with this provision, it is best that you do not participate in this group lawsuit. Finally, how to participate. DV 2026 selectees can onboard as plaintiffs on this group lawsuit and make their initial payments from our website, readygolaw.com, linked down here. Thank you for your attention to this video.